Hey everybody, Scott here.
Howdy y'all, I'm Noah, and today we're gonna get you in the know with
RV and marine water filtration. Okay, so water filtration, why do you need it?
Well, to make sure that the water coming into your RV is more suitable for drinking.
Unless you're hooking up at home, you really never know what the quality of water will be when you get hooked up at the RV park.
There can be all sorts of contaminants coming in from the water sources. Things like sediment, chlorines, chloramines, heavy metals.
So to ensure that the water coming into your RV tastes better, smells better, and is better, you're definitely going to need a water filter. So Noah,
yes.
Where are the two places on the RV that you can filter?
Well, you can filter the water at the point of use or the point of entry.
Right.
So the point of use filters install inside the RV on the cold water line right underneath the faucet, so where you use the water coming out. So you'll need to install one at each faucet, and only the cold water would be filtered.
The point of entry filters install on the outside of the RV, between the water source and your RV, meaning all of the water in your RV gets filtered, hot and cold.
Like even your shower?
And your toilet. Seems like that's the easiest way to filter for RVs and boats.
It is. So that's why we're going to focus on exterior filtration for this video. So to help you understand the differences, we've broken the filters down into 3 categories: basic filtration, enhanced filtration, and ultimate filtration.
Sounds a lot like good, better, best, but fancier. Yeah. Although Camco offers different tiers of water filters, they all do have some things in common.
They all utilize standard garden hose fittings for easy connection. It's very simple. They're all CSA lead-free content certified to NSF and ANSI 372. And they all filter using GAC.
GAC is also known as granular activated carbon. Granular activated carbon helps to reduce chlorine and sediment and improves the taste and smell of your drinking water.
So now let's talk about the differences.
All right. The first tier is the basic filtration.
The filters in the basic category are Camco's most popular filters. They are primarily used by the occasional RVer. These are your single stage use filters, which means that once the filter's effective lifespan is up, you toss it out, you get a new one.
Pretty convenient. These filters filter your water down to 20 microns.
What the heck is a micron?
What is a micron? Yeah. Thank you for the question, Will. I'm glad you asked. A micron is a unit of length equal to 1/1,000,000th of a meter, or 0.001 millimeters.
That's small.
When it comes to water filtration, microns are used to describe the diameter of the holes that the water passes or filters through. The smaller the number of microns, the more the filter filters.
You might think that that would reduce your water flow, being so small, but with Camco's filters, it does not.
Correct. Even while filtering your water, Camco's filters allow water to flow at the maximum flow rate for which RV plumbing is rated.
Well, what does that mean?
That means great water flow throughout your RV, including your shower. I don't know if you've ever showered with filtered water. I bet it'll get you cleaner.
All right, courtesy laugh. In our basic filtration category, we have 3 filters: the Taste Pure RV and Marine water filter, the Taste Pure KDF carbon water filter, and the Taste Pure XL water filter.
The Taste Pure RV and Marine water filter is your entry-level filter, relying solely on GAC to filter your water. The filter's lifespan is approximately 1 season, or around 3 months.
The Taste Pure KDF carbon water filter contains GAC, but it also contains KDF media. So this KDF media reduces water-soluble heavy metals and prevents the growth of scale bacteria and algae while your water filter is stored or not in use.
Like when you go extended periods of time not RVing.
Correct. The filter's lifespan is approximately 1 season, or around 3 months.
And the Taste Pure XL. This one is similar to the Taste Pure KDF carbon filter. It uses GAC and KDF, but the Taste Pure XL filter is, as the name suggests, extra large. It has twice the capacity and it lasts twice as long, up to 6 months.
All of these filters are made right here in the USA.
Next up, we're going to discuss enhanced filtration.
We have one filter in the enhanced filtration category, and that is the Evo Premium Water Filter.
This filter is typically used by full-time RVers who want significantly better filtration than what those in the basic category provide. The EVO Premium Water Filter is a single-stage filter that utilizes a replaceable cartridge. Let's see that cartridge.
See? So with the EVO, you do not need to toss the entire thing out after every season. You just need to replace the cartridge.
The way the EVO works is the water goes into the canister, then gets forced to pass through the spun polypropylene fiber barrier, then through GAC and KDF, which is inside. The cartridge filters the water down to 5 microns. And even though it filters down that much more, it still allows for the max flow rate of your RV plumbing.
Camco offers 2 different replacement cartridges for the EVO Premium Water Filter. The EVO Spun Polypropylene Replacement Cartridge, which is a direct replacement for what the EVO comes with.
Or the EVO Premium Spun Polypropylene Replacement Cartridge, which filters a little bit more by removing VOCs, or volatile organic compounds.
These cartridges have a lifespan of approximately 8,000 gallons. The EVO Premium Water Filter is also made right here in the USA.
So, we've talked about basic and enhanced filtration.
Now it's time to talk about
Ultimate water filtration.
EVO X2 and the EVO X3 are primarily used by full-time RVers who want the absolute best in water filtration. These canister cartridge style filters use multi-stage filtration, dual stage and triple stage.
At first glance, it may just look like we're adding extra canisters like the razor companies adding extra blades for perceived extra value, but that is not the case here. Unlike extra blades on razors, each of these canisters on the EVO X2 and the EVO X3 filter out different contaminants.
The first stage is similar to what is used in the EVO single canister, the 5 micron spun polypropylene sediment filter with GAC and KDF.
And the second stage is a 0.5 micron carbon block.
0.5?
Yeah, 0.5, not 5, 0.5. And that offers protection against lead, VOCs, chloramines, giardia, and other contaminants. And that's your EVO X2.
Your EVO X3 takes it one step further with a 3rd stage canister cartridge. This filter contains a 0.2 micron electropositive pleated cartridge that removes viruses, bacteria, and cysts from your water.
Even with filtration as fine as 0.5 microns and 0.2 microns, the EVO X2 and the EVO X3 multi-stage filtration systems can still output max flow rate for RV freshwater plumbing.
Both the EVO X2 and the EVO X3 water filters come mounted to heavy-duty, powder-coated steel stands, which feature non-marring rubber feet for stability. And both come with a canister wrench and a 4-foot drinking water hose to connect the filtration system to your RV or boat.
The EVO X2 and the EVO X3 multi-stage water filtration systems both have a lifespan of approximately 15,000 gallons.
So that about wraps it up for Camco's In the Know RV and marine water filtration.
I hope this video helped you to feel more in the know.
If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.
Or email us at info@camco.net, and thank you for watching.
Camco.